Hi guys, OhGinelle here. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know it's been a very long time. I've been slacking on my videos, but we out here in quarantine and we about to dig into this aloe plant. OhGinelle is not my name, and if you must know, it's a statement, bitch! Guys, I don't even know who to take, but the ones in the middle look juicy and new, and all these old ones kind of look like they gotta go. So I think I'm gonna go with one of these small boys down here. Now you see that yellow stuff that's dripping out of it? This right here is what's going to give you the shits. This right here is what's going to give you belly walk and all kind of stuff. So it's really important that you let your aloe hang out. So I'm just going to put in the sink for about like 30 minutes or so. So I've had these aloes draining in the sink for a couple hours. So at this point there's no more yellow shit coming out of it. So now that I've got my mixture here, it smells a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in a spray bottle just to make my life a little easier, because I think it's gonna be much easier for application. Check out the texture of it. Now this stuff would need to be refrigerated if you don't finish it. So this may actually last me like maybe 2 treatments. So I did have my hair in twists for basically 2 weeks. I've also been working out daily, so they are funky. My hair is dry and time for a wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a clarifying shampoo, give this a good rinse out, and then what I'm gonna do is apply my aloe vera yumminess, apply my aloe vera treatment. So of course my spray bottle is clogged. Why wouldn't it be? So the rosemary mint Creole essence castor oil really is helping to mask the stench or the armpity smell of the aloe vera juice. So maybe my husband won't kick me out of the room today. So this was supposed to be an overnight treatment. I'm not gonna lie, it's been like 3 nights. So I'm gonna wash it out now and I'll be back short, guys. So I've washed the treatment out of my hair, and the reason why I like doing this is because my hair ends up really soft, smooth and shiny, and you can take a look at it. I already put it into a twist. Now I have heard from a lot of people that using the aloe does help to grow your hair longer. That's not really my goal. That's not why I'm using it. But if you have tried it and it has done that for you, let me know down below. But for me, it is just a nice, free, at-home conditioning treatment. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Feels so right. Baby, where'd you go? Running away from heartache. We've been through this before. We can't get it right, can't get it straight. Yeah, but